Introduce short overview of KIALUSH LED pool light bulb 120 volt with 16 light modes, 40 watt LED pool lights for in-ground pools with upgraded remote, RGBW pool light bulb. E26 replacement for Pentair and Hayward pool light fixture. You enter our here, what will you get? Most importantly, honest reviews from people who have already bought it and review rating. And because we are affiliated with Amazon, which if considered from the reliability, you will get acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews. Of course, all this helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell look for all press to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Again, if you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thank you for watching.